up, guys? This is Crucial Unboxer. I have another opening for you guys. We got Redox Dragon Ruler of Boulders. 10 to open. It came out in 2013. It comes with 5 packs and 4 foils, like the promos. This is the back of it. That's what is all on there. It comes with the Number Hunters pack that's all hollows. Anyways, let's open this up. This came out 2013. Just a random 10 to open. Alright. Alright, there's like a little sheave something, and then here's the packs and the promos. Just get these out of here. We'll just open it like that. There we go. Just seal that up. Open the promos. Alright, this is what all we get. Diamond Dire Wolf, number 88 Gimmick Puppet of Leo, Spellbook of Master, and the Rank Up Reinforce. So yeah, get those. Those are limited edition. We'll just set those there. Go ahead and start with Cosmo Blazer. Because these are like unlimited. So it'll open. There we go. Dang, I don't want to budge. Alright. We got Brush Fire Knight for rare. Alright, next Cosmo Blazer pack. Be sure to like this video, subscribe if you are new, bell for more to keep updated on my future videos. As I will be doing more this year since it's a new year. Hazy Flame. I can't really read that. And then we got a super rare Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Leon Emperor. Nice. Full hollow. Finally we got a hollow. Super. We'll just put that right there. Alright, now Lord of the Tachyon Galaxy. Oh, that's such a cool name. I like that front card too, on the front. Wheel of Prophecy, and we get an ultra rare Noble Knight. I can't pronounce that one, but wow, Noble Knight. That's that might have some value, maybe. All right, next, Lord of the Tachyon Galaxy. Alright. We got a Xyz Dark Fairy Cheer Girl for rare. Alright. Now, Number Hunters. These are all foils. Gimmick Puppet, looks like. Yeah, Gimmick Puppet. Ooh, that's a good card. Number 87, Queen of the Night. And then Cosmic Hero King Knight Arthur. I know that card has some value. Nice. Be sure to like this video, subscribe. Also bell for more to keep updated on our future videos. And see y'all later.